how to make your skipping rope heavy. It's, lockdown going on. Okay, so what I did is, this is my very old skipping rope, wooden handle, swivel mechanism, and PVC rope. It was only this PVC rope supplied with a spring in between to minimize the wear and tear. I had to remove that spring and to make this skipping rope heavy. What I did was, I took a nylon rope. Okay, this is the nylon rope. You see, simple nylon rope that we use at home for everyday purpose, tying clothes, tying bags, that type of thing, right? And this is the PVC rope. The black one is the PVC rope, actual PVC rope. Now what I did is, these PVC ropes are like stretchable, very little stretching. You see, it stretches a little. So when you actually swing it in a normal condition, if it is this much, while you swing it, it will grow this much. Okay, so what I did is, I adjusted the rope. This is my very old rope. I have made a review of this rope already, and the link is posted here. Okay, you can see the details of this rope. The purchase links are also given. I adjusted this PVC rope as per my height requirement for skipping. Okay, then what I did is, I took this nylon rope and tied one end over here. This has a, see, I have tied it over here. Okay, this is adjustable. Okay, now I stretched the length of this nylon rope is equal to the stretched length of this PVC rope. I stretched, don't pull it too hard, just normal, and take the measurement. Okay, I tied it over here. See, simple knot, and I tied it over here, both the ends. And then after few intervals, you have to leave this interval, because remember, this nylon rope will be lengthier little lengthier when it is not in use, because when you, now you see, this nylon rope is lengthier. Now pull it if I pull the black skip rope, it equals, right? So this I have tied up with a regular electric tape, here, 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 and here. This is the base actually which rubs on the ground. Okay, here, and this is how my heavy jump rope is ready. The electrical tapes that I have tied over here, they wear and tear in every week. Those who I do use jump rope around with mixed exercise. I use jump rope for around 10 minutes every morning. My total workout is of 30 minutes, so out of which I mix it with jogging and running and jumping jacks and all. So the total time, if you see, of the just skipping, it is around 10 minutes per day, and it like wears and tears every 2 3 days. So I have to retape it alternate day, or maybe after 2 3 days. So this is the thing, and this is now a heavy jump rope. This rope weighs around 200 grams. Okay, now after tying this, so I hope you like this video of how to make your jump rope heavy at home with no extra cost. Thank you so much.